very important is to get a very good grip on it. Find a nice grip and put your other hand on top. You see, we got it in half, and you can do that the same thing in 4 pieces. Alright, here's another way to break an apple with your hands. Just stick your thumb up on there and smash it. It's not too easy, but those are the hardest apples to break. Alright, there is another way to break it. You see, it's normal apple. Just put your finger like that sideways and slap a couple times and it breaks in half. So we're gonna put acetone in this cup real quick. I'm gonna put a lot. Alright, I think that would be enough. And then we're gonna put the styrofoam in the acetone. Isn't it awesome? Get your C-Star coat or something with a fur, rub it up and just point it at you guys. And you see how they jump up and fly? Salt. So drop your cube in the water and then put your needle on top of a cube. Okay, then put some salt and then lift it up. Isn't it cool, guys? Alright, put a card on top of your finger and then put a coin on top of a card. And then the trick is to flick it. So first we're gonna get our knife and make a hole like that. And then we're gonna take our coin and stick it in there like halfway. And second, you're gonna stick a nail on the other side like that, as you can see. We're gonna do it on every lemon. Then we're gonna plug it up to every lemon. Pretty much you need to plug it up to the nail and then to the coin. Same thing here. Alright, as you can see, we got all this 4 plugged up. You see this first one to the nail to the coin, from the nail to the coin, from the nail to the coin. And then same thing, we're gonna plug it up here to the coin and to the nail and let them loose the ends. And then we're gonna grab our LED light. So then we're gonna connect this LED to the lemons. You see it light up. Alright, grab 2 of your needles like that, put them together, then grab your magnet and magnify them. Like do it a bunch of times. Turn them over and magnify the other side. Let's test it out. I'm gonna leave this one alone and then I'm gonna push it with this one. See what happens? What if you get on the other side? Still pushing, but if you put it upside down, let's see what happens. They get together. And for the hot water, we're gonna get red, you know? That's pretty good. Call them red. And for the cold water, blue. Stir it up real quick. Alright, I'm gonna be using this plastic thing to hold this like that so water will come out. And first I'm gonna put cold one on top of a hot one. Hopefully I'm not gonna spill anything. Let's slide off. Alright, this is good. Now I'm gonna pull this thing out. Put the plastic out. You see, guys, what happening? The colors have changed. Now it's kind of purple. because the colors have mixed together. You see that, guys? So now let's move this one on side over here, and now let's put the hot one on top of the cold one, and we'll see what happens. Alright, we got the same way. We're gonna do this one, put on top of it, on top of the glass, match it. Gonna pull out the plastic bag and see what happens. You guys see the difference between these two? So do you guys see the difference between these two glasses? Why this one is mixed up and kind of purple color now, and this one is still blue and red. So we're gonna make a hole, one on the top, one in the middle, and one in the bottom. And then we're gonna open the bottle. Alright, the question is, why does the water leaks out only from bottom but not from these two? Even if I make another hole, you see, why does it leaks out? This one is going far and this one comes like a little bit, like, you know.